Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Here you can see the routes room store not defined. There is error. Okay, this error in our last tutorial we got it. Okay, so how to make the solution? So here simply we have to go to the web dot here. Here we have to implement the route. Okay, so we have to route section. We have to implement it over here. Whereas we have to implement it. This one store room, this one post method. Okay, route post store room controller store action method. You have to implement this method. Here we have defined the use app http controller where your controller resided. This is the route we have to call it. Okay, when you store the data. Okay, when you store the data we have to implement this one. Okay, so before that what I'm going to do is I want to do another one is here. You have to do another important stuff is room controller. You have to import this one as well. Room controller we have to implement that. We have a we have to implement the room hotel also, hotel model as well. This hotel model. Okay, so why we import the hotel model? We have to get the data. Okay, so we have to load the hotel. Okay, when you're going to select the room, adding register the rooms, we will be able to select the hotel. This room is based on which hotel, so we have to give the hotel name perfectly well. So we have to do these things as well. Okay, we have to get the room. So the room all mean you have to get all the rooms and put into this variable hotel. When you're going to load the hotel, so we have to get the instead of the hotel name you have to get the id of the hotel. Instead of the hotel name you have to load the hotel id. Okay, so you have to pass into the hotel here. So after the return view rooms dot index you have to pass in rooms and hotels both. We have to pass into this room folder index section method. It passing here. It will load the rooms. It will be load the rooms. So let's file and save all and bring back to the application and check here. Hotels, the hotel is not display. Why? Okay, now we haven't added the hotel. I think there is no hotel. Okay, I have added. So I have added the added Taj hotel. You have to select the room, whatever room is room description, select active, select register button. The room successfully registered. I am going to go to the hotel register successfully. I am going to the rooms. Here hotel is name is coming successfully in the drop down. You can see over here. Okay, the room is successfully coming. So here you have to select the room one. So we haven't do the we are send the another other options. We haven't get the options. In rooms, room name description hotel. We have to give the hotels, and we have to get the another one is as this one. We need a room. This room type, this price. We haven't put this one also. We have to put it this one. I accidentally wrote another file. Okay, so here let's do it. Room type and price. So here we have to put it this one, room type. We have to put this beside this two. Okay. Now you can see here the room name, description, hotel, room type. So we'll be able to select the hotel. Room type, you have to select the room type. Price, you have to enter the room price. Okay. So the room name means a room one. Description, something description. Hotel name, start. Room type is this. Price is this. If you have clicked register button, room has been registered. Okay. So that's the thing you have to do it. Very simple. You have to do that thing. So here we have to go to my, when you click register button, what happens is we have to get all the data. Okay, so the room name, description. So this one should be the price. Okay, the price is there, price is there. This price should be, you have to make it a number. Price should be number. Room type, hotel ID. This is a description, name. Submit button. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is here we have to come to the data to here. Room name, description, room type, price, room price and hotel ID. Okay, so let's do it. So what I'm going to, you have to, again you have to buy the room 1, description, charge, room type, price, click register button. So the store method is not time define the store method. So here room, here we have a store method. The store method, we have a store method, we have name, description. The store method as whenever, and another, what are the fields we have to get it, uh, rooms, listen, rooms. We have to get all the data. Description, room type, room price, room name, description, room type, room price. These are the things we are getting. So we will get all the data. We have to save it. Room created successfully. Save all the application, and you have to go over here, refresh them. Room name, description, room name room 1, charge, room type is AC, price I have to define as this one. Click register button. Hotel register successfully. So you have register, you will be able to see the hotel registration success. We will be able to see here. Go to the hotel management, rooms. Why it's not coming? So yeah, we will be checking the error why it's not working. If you are not working, you will be first, you have to type test at dd request, whether the request is coming or not. We will be check it over here, the troubleshooting. Name, hotel type, room type, price, everything is coming. Name, description, hotel type, price. Your room type, your room price, your room price. Non AC, you have to use this one, AC, VIP one. Description, room type, price. On this, now it's working. Now it's working perfectly well. Now why it's not working? Not we are not adding the data. We have to go to the model. The same thing we have to check whether it is inside the room. Room type, room price, description. Okay, this all things are there. Okay, so you have to get the things. Okay, let's again. You have to try out. Room name, description, room type, price, register. So what's the error? Storage, log, Laravel log. The error should be the room type. Does not exist room types. So what's the problem with room type? Copy this room type. Room type. Room type. The room type. Hmm. Okay, everything should be fine. What happened? What the problem here is? Here you have to add the. We have to copy this entire code and paste it over here. You have to add it here the status. You have to add it as a status. Here you have to type as active. Here this one is the deactive. Deactive. status. Okay, let's save all. You have to go back to here, rooms. You have type, copy and paste it over your status. File, save all. Let's refresh it. Now here we have the room name, description, hotel, room type, price, status. Click register. Here what's things active for hotel rooms. What's the thing? Okay, this one we have to paste it over here as well. Oops. Status required. Okay, status. So what happened? Okay, now let's save all. Description to hotel type, price, status, register button. Yeah, the correct date format, value active column. What's the active column? Status. Yes, status is correct. It's active column. It's active. So okay, this one active, one two. Okay, this is Boolean type. That's a problem. Okay, now let's save it. Room 6, description, room type, price, status, register. Now let's back to the application. So here it's working successfully. I hope you guys understood the things well. I'll be catching my next video tutorial. Thank you.